Hello puppies! I know I'm missing some videos for casting epoxy and stuff, but I thought meanwhile I'm waiting for my 3D printer, and and I have nothing to cast, so I thought I would do on a guitar instead. I was watching some, for now I mean, I was watching some videos on BB King, Vibrato, and I must say I was not very impressed. It looked very good, but it didn't sound like it. To me it should sound something like this. Can you hear it? The trick is that I'm not moving my finger at all. I'm not touching it from the sides. I'm not touching bottom of the neck. I'm not touching anything. I'm only touching the fretboard and only with the fingertip. And I'm moving my wrist, and I'm also trying not to bend the note like this. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to stay in the same note and only make it vibrate. You can try to go this way, like this, or like that, but I think the best is kind of like about this direction, like sideways, diagonally. So BB King would also use more his thumb. I think he would kick it off with his thumb. But that's about it. The main thing is you don't touch neck with anything, especially not with your thumb. Your thumb needs to remain free. I hope that was audible. And when you practice this, I think it is not very hard to do once you get hang of it. Gary Moore is very similar. If you like, you can try Gary Moore first. It's like same thing, except you're pivoting. You're doing like that, you're flapping, and your thumb is touching the neck. But in general, these two vibratos are very similar because you don't move the note. You only vibrato it. I don't know. It's like a okay. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you can spare one more minute, I got a question for you concerning guitars. This is like real cheapo guitar, something you would find in a garbage most likely. But the good thing about it is that it doesn't have a truss rod, so it can move slightly. Let me show you something. This is E chord, and this is F chord. And I was wondering if you can do that. It's like, that's my right hand. Okay, let me open strings. Okay, this hand is free. I can still my mouse is just full. Okay, I can still vibe out of it, and I would be interested to know if you can do that as well on your guitar, or if this guitar is actually very special in the way that it can do that. It can also do this. You see that? I don't know if it's this visible, but that's my finger going underneath other strings because I got half an inch space right here, so the action is really high, so that's another thing that's very special about it, and it's maybe why I can also easily move the neck if I wish to. I bend it over my belly basically. So that would be the third kind of vibrato. So pick the best one, and let me know if you can pick the third one. Alright, and take care.